Assalamu alaikum Moroccan family. In today's recipe, we are preparing a mouth-watering meatball tajin, rich in flavors and perfect for sharing with loved ones during Ramadan. Let's dive right in. Start by taking 500 grams of mincemeat in a mixing bowl with or without fat as per your preference. Then add 1 small portion of chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander, 1 teaspoon of salt or to taste, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix everything until well combined. Quick reminder, if you have not subscribed to Moroccan Kitchen yet, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to tap the bell icon so you never miss out on future yummy recipes. Once the mixture is ready, shape it into a small meatballs and set them aside. Now take 3 tablespoons of oil in a tajin or a thick bottomed pot on low heat. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Then 2 medium chopped onions, saute for 3 to 5 minutes until the onions become translucent. Next add 3 medium chopped tomatoes and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Cook for another 3 to 5 minutes until softened. Now add the following spices: half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix everything well and cook for 1 minute. Then add your meatballs. Add 1/4 cup of water. Then top it off with 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander. Cover and cook on low heat for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, uncover and take in the amazing aroma. Garnish with more chopped coriander before serving. Enjoy with your favorite bread. Let us know how it turns out for you in the comments below. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button. Happy cooking and see you next time.